Let's take a look at BC real estate trends and housing forecast for 2024. The British Columbia real estate market is expected to have moderate activity and price growth in 2024. This comes after an extended period of exceptional demand and rapidly rising house values. However, the market's long-term fundamentals will remain strong and be driven by robust population growth, a resilient economy, and continued housing supply constraints. Several key factors are projected to shape the housing market dynamics across the province in 2024. On the demand side, rising interest rates and stricter mortgage lending regulations may dampen affordability and cool buyer enthusiasm, especially among first-time and move-up buyers. However, sustained immigration and interprovincial migration in BC's major urban centers are likely to provide a counterbalance, maintaining a steady flow of new household formations. On the supply side, the persistent shortage of available housing inventory, particularly in the detached and townhome segments, is expected to persist. While new construction activity remains robust, the pace of housing starts may struggle to keep up with population growth, especially in high-demand areas like the Lower Mainland and Vancouver Island. Overall, industry experts forecast a moderation in sales activity across BC in 2024, with total transactions projected to decline by 5 to 10% compared to 2023 levels. However, this pullback is expected to be relatively modest, reflecting the underlying strength of the market and the continued imbalance between supply and demand. In terms of pricing, the consensus among analysts is that home values will continue to appreciate in 2024, albeit at a more sustainable pace compared to the double-digit gains witnessed in recent years. The BC Real Estate Association projects an average price increase of 3 to 6% for the province as a whole, with significant variations across regions and property types. Notably, the detached home segment in BC's major urban centers is expected to experience more muted growth as affordability constraints and shifting buyer preferences towards higher density housing options weigh on demand. In contrast, the townhome and condominium markets are anticipated to remain relatively resilient, driven by their comparative affordability and appeal to first-time and downsizing buyers.